Good day. Here we continue with our geometry and we'll be looking at the Theorem 5. And the Theorem 5 is talking about the base angles of an isosceles triangles which are equal. So it states that the base angle of an isosceles triangles are equal. Now looking at this, if you have triangle ABC, which is divided, we have AD dividing the triangle ABC into 2. Thereby we have triangle ABD and also we have a triangle ACD, making two triangles in triangle ABC. From this, we want to prove that angle B is equal to angle C. We want to prove that this angle B, which is here, is equal to what? Angle C. And going by this, we agree with me that angle AB, is equal to angle AC. Okay? And that has been given already. So that is the purpose of this line giving. That this angle AB is equal to angle what? AC. That has been given already. So let's try and prove this out. Now, in triangles ABD and ACD, in triangle ABD and triangle ACD, we can say that what? AB is equal to AC. This has been given already. Just write given, because we are given. This has been given already. Now, if this is the case, you agree in AD also is equal to AD. How do I mean AD is equal to AD? That is, if I'm considering angle ADB, so the AD that is here, and considering angle ACD is also AD. So the AD for ADB is same thing as AD for ACD. So the AD is equal to AD. Okay, and that is what? We have a same side. They are same side. Okay, so we have the same side. Now, if this is the case, then we can automatically say that what? X is equal to Y. That this X is equal to Y. Because this angle has actually divided this angle ABC into 2. So X is equal to Y. If that should be the case, then it means that what? The triangle ABD is equal to triangle what? ACD. That is, they are having the same triangle. This angle have divided them into 2. So ABD is equal to what? ACD. If that lies, automatically then we can say that what? Angle B is equal to angle C. That is, we've known from here that this line is equal to this line. We've said that AD here for this ADB is equal to ADB. Automatically, we know that this angle is 90. This is what? Also 90. And we said that this angle Y is equal to X. Automatically, angle B will equal to angle C. Because this is equal to this is equal to this. Automatically, this and this will be equal, because when I have this and this together, I subtract it from subtract that from 180, is going to give you, it will be giving you what? It will give you this angle. So B is equal to C, and that actually solve the question. It actually proves what we're looking for. Now, in addition to this, generally in an isosceles triangle has two equal sides. They have two equal sides, and the top side is called base. So the two equal sides in this triangle given is AB and AC. Those are the two equal sides that he has. That is AB and AC. That is two equal sides. And the last one, which is the third side, is BC, and that is called base. The BC is called base. And the two equal sides, they meet at the vertex. So look at it, AB and AC, they meet at the vertex. This is the vertex. there is a vertex here. This A is the vertex. So AB, AC, line AB and line AC, they meet at the vertex, which is there. Okay? And the equal angle at the angles at the vertex is called vertical angles. Now, what's the angle at the vertex? That is this theta. It is called vertical angles. So the angle that we find at the vertex is called vertical angles. And the other two angles, other angles that make the base, they are said to be equal. That is now alpha is equal to beta. This alpha is equal to beta. But do not forget that what? Alpha plus beta plus what? This theta all equal to 180 degrees. That is the sum of the angle in a triangle. So we should not forget that. And this explains the major concept in isosceles triangle. They are made up of 3 sides. 2 of the sides are equal, and the last one is called a base. And after that, the 2 equal sides meet at the vertex, and that makes an angle, and that angle is called what? A vertical angle. And the other 2 bases are said to be equal, and that makes it to be what? An isosceles triangle. So in an isosceles triangle, generally, out of the 3 angles, 2 are equal, and the last one is called a vertical angle. Do not forget that the sum of the 3 angles also sum up to what? 180 degrees. Now let's look at this example. Under this Theorem 5, it says that an isosceles triangles ABC and ABD are drawn on opposite sides of a common base AB. If ABC is equal to 70 degrees and ADB is equal to 118 degrees, calculate ACB and CBD. So we're giving ABC, which is 70 degrees, and we're also giving ADB, which is 118 degrees. So we're asked to calculate ACB, that is this angle here, which is C, and we're also asked to look for CBA, that is this angle B here, the total of this angle down here, that is this angle plus this angle, we are asked to look for. So let's start. In calculating this, let's start from, we have 2 triangles here. We have ABC, and it's an what? Isosceles triangle. We also have ABD, which is also an isosceles triangle. So we have 2 isosceles triangles here making our diagram. Now, let's consider in triangle ABC. We want to consider from triangle ABC now. Now, we agree with me that ABC is equal to 70 degrees, which has been given. So if that should be the case, then, and we know that ABC, this ABC and BAC, they are the same because what? They are this base of an isosceles triangle. So we can say that what? Our BAC is also what? 70 degrees. And what is the proof? That is the base angle of isosceles triangle. That base angle of what? Isosceles triangle. That's telling us the base angle of what? Of isosceles triangle. So they are the same. So if that should be the case, then I know that my what? ABC plus what? My BAC plus my ACB is equal to what? 180 degrees. And what proves that? That is the angle sum of triangle. Angles, or let's say sum of angle of what? A triangle. That is sum of angle of a triangle. And I know my ABC to be 70 degrees plus this also 70 degrees. So this also is 70 degrees. As we've calculated this, then plus what? ACB. And that will give you what? 180 degrees. So this will give you 140 degrees plus what? ACB equal to 180 degrees. So I will collect like times. I have ACB equal to 180 degree minus 140 degree. And my ACB will equal to what? 40 degree. And that is the first thing we are asked to look for. That is, my ACB will equal to what? 40 degree. Okay? Now, let's continue from here. Now, let's now look for our ABD. If you are looking for our ABD, now to look for my ABD, so in triangle ABD now, looking at in triangle ABD, you agree with me that what? We have been given that what? Our ADB is equal to what? 118 degree. This one is given. This is given. Triangle ABD is equal to what? That is equal to 118. This is this. And do not forget that our ABD is equal to what? Our what? Our BAD. And that is what? Base angles of what? An isosceles. Select triangle. Base angle of isosceles triangle. The base angle of isosceles triangle, they are equal. And remember that, so this angle ADB, which is this, now ABD, this angle is equal to what? BAD, which is this angle. So if that should be the case, and remember that the sum of the three angles are equal, that is equal to what? 180. So I can say that my ABD, which is this angle, plus BAD, which is this angle, plus ADB, which is this angle, is equal to what? 180 degree. That is what? Sum of what? Sum of angles of what? Of a triangle. Sum of angle of a triangle. Now, instead of me writing ABD, so I can decide to write what? To write my A. Instead of writing BAD, I can write ABD, because here I've said that my ABD is equal to my BAD. So I can write what? ABD plus ABD. That is, instead of writing BAD, I can write ABD, because ABD is equal to BAD. So plus what? ADB is equal to 180 degree. Now from here we have what? 2ABD, because this plus will give me 2. So plus my ADB has been given, which is 118 degree, is equal to 180 degree. So I have what? 2ABD equals to what? 180 degree minus 118 degree. So I will have my ABD, 2ABD is equal to what? And this will give you what? 62 degree. So my ABD is equal to what? 62 divided by 2. And this will give you what? 31 degree. This will give you what? 31 degree. So I have my ABD, which is this. Now, I will ask to look for what? So we've gotten this place to be equal to what? To be 31 degree. So this angle has been gotten to what? 31 degree. So now we have to look for angle CBD. That is CBD, the total of this angle. So angle CBD is talking about this angle. And meanwhile, all these two angles is the sum of CABC and what? ABD. So I can say that what? My CBD is equal to what? It's equal to what? That will be what? ABD plus ABD, that is ABD, then plus what? ABC. ABC. Okay? ABC. And so my CBD will equal to my ABD is 31 degree plus my ABC have been calculated, has been given before, that is equal to what? 70 degree. So my CBD will equal to what? 101 degree. And that solves the question. So from here, ACB is equal to 40 degree, and what? CBD equal to what? 101 degree.